Hey guys, welcome back one more time to the YouTube channel. This is Esther. Thank you all so much for tuning in to another video. So I did another quick haul at Walgreens. I actually did two transactions, and on this account I'm working with a spend 56 times to get back $50 in Walgreens cash. So I did two trips today and I have one more to go to get back the $50 in Walgreens cash. I did do two different transactions. I'll show you guys my receipts and what I was able to grab. So starting here with the Axe, these are $9.99, and if you want to get the Ibotta rebate, you need to grab these ones that are the fine fragrance. These are $9.99, buy one get one half off. So the third product will be full price, so you can use a 20% off coupon if you're meeting the if you're spending $10 out of pocket on regularly priced products. So I picked up three of the Axe. The Gillette, they are on promotion for when you spend $30, you're gonna get back $10 in Walgreens cash. And I was kind of hesitant on doing this deal because I feel like I'm spending a little bit more out of pocket than I wanted to. But anyways, I ended up grabbing it. The one with the two cartridges, I can't say that right, you guys. These are $19.99 on sale for $19.99. And the regular price for this is $24.99. And then I also picked up one with the one razor, one of the cartridges. That one I believe is $14.99. So as I was talking to the store manager, she was letting me know that prices have gone up once more, especially in the laundry department. So she wanted to warn me. She knows I go there all the time. But yeah, things have gone up massively, and they're still going up. So I picked up two of these. We do have an $8 digital coupon as well as a $5 digital coupon. Now, if you don't have the $8 digital coupon, it's an only for you. We do have the shaving gels. Those are, I believe, $7.99, and we do have a $3 coupon. So you can pick up two of those along with the $19.99 one or the $14.99. That should take you over the $30 threshold there. Because I was also using building on my transaction, I add two other done, $1.24 each. Buy two get $1 back. And then I also added the poise. These are regularly priced at $2 for $14. And then we do have a $5 digital coupon and a $2 digital coupon, which I scanned the product, but that $2 digital coupon was not coming up for me. And then there is a 3 off of 2. So I just went ahead and used the $5 coupon, and I plan on contacting customer service for the $2 that didn't come off. So I have not yet went over my receipt to see what came off or what didn't. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now with you guys. So let me show you guys. So here's the Axe. Here's the Gillette Labs, $19.99 and $14.99. The Dawn, the Axe at full price using the 10% off, taking off $2. The Poise at $2 for $14, taking off $1.40 of each one. Did use a paper booster for when you spend $30 to get back $8. These are the register rewards that I use, so a 6, 5, 5, 6, and a 5. I did use a P&G register reward on this one as well. So in today, just to note, I stayed away from the P&G deals. Michelle from My Own Identity reported that they were not printing as of late yesterday, Monday. And during the day I was at work and I watched Lorena, what's her channel? Detrás del Coupon, or Mi Mundo con Cupones on Instagram. So she stated that they were not working. So I wanted to make sure I stayed away from those P&G products. So as far as digital coupons, so $8 here for the Gillette Labs. I'm gonna say the $5 for the other Gillette Labs, $5 for the Poise, and $4 for the Axe there. And then used 20 in Walgreens cash, so subtotal came out to $22.63. Used 20 in Walgreens cash. It didn't show me what I got back, but I did get back $25 like I was expecting. So I got back $10 for spending $30, my $7 digital booster for spending $25, and then plus the $8 paper booster. So I did get everything back here. I'll try to pop it up on the screen for you guys to see. The only printed reward that I got back was $1 for the Dawn and $5 for the Axe. I also submitted back to Fetch, and I got a little over $5 back on Fetch for that, and submitted to Ibotta, and I got back $9 for the deodorant, and I also got back $2 for this Poise and $1 for the liners. And I also submitted to Shopkick for the Poise and got back 1900 kicks, which is $7.60. So lots of rebates there. Make sure you are utilizing those rebate apps. If you're not yet signed up, I'll put a link in the description box below where you can sign up and start saving money there as well. All right, let's move on to the second transaction that I did. Again, I built up my transaction to spend $70 so that I could use 20 in Walgreens cash. I picked up the Scott. I still had digital coupons. They're buy one get one half off at $5 each. $5 buy one get one half off. I also added the Dawn as a filler item, which is right here. I picked up the Tresemme. Now for the Tresemme, you want to make sure that you're picking up the actual spray or the $7 products. Yesterday I picked up the mousse. So today I wanted to go ahead and pick up this hairspray. That's the one that's giving out the $5 register reward, not the shampoo or the conditioner. And then I think I showed you guys this deal yesterday on the Old Spice. So I decided to do it today to mix it up a little bit. I picked up one of the zero aluminum one. So this is $8 and we have a $2 digital coupon. And I picked up this regular one here. This is $7 and we have a $2 digital coupon for the spray. And then I went ahead and I picked up these two. These are $7 each. There is no coupon for those. Now putting those together, I wanted to do it like this because we do have Ibotta rebates. $5 for buying 2 of the deodorants and then $5 for buying 2 of the body washes. And the Old Spice is also on promotion for when you buy 3, you're getting back $5 in register reward. So I went ahead and I did it like that. And then the other product I added was the Dove. I'm actually running low on Dove deodorant for myself. This is my preferred one that I use and I love. They are on sale for $8 this week. These are normally $11 and change, like almost $12 for deodorant. My goodness. And these are normally $9.99. Anyways, y'all, if you're not couponing, please get on it because things are expensive. Like they really are. All right, and then I picked the Dove up there, buy 3, and then you're gonna get back $5 in register reward. And I wasn't actually going to do this deal, but I saw these coupons, which I've had for a little bit. These expire in November, but I was like, you know what, let me go ahead and grab it and then I'll do the deal. Hoping for an Ibotta rebate or some Fetch rebates, but there isn't none yet that I could see. So let me show you guys my receipt. Here is the Scott. Here's the Dawn. Here's the Tresemme. Here is the Old Spice body wash, 2 for $14. Here is the other Old Spice body spray. The deodorant, the Dove deodorant, and the other Old Spice product there. I did use spend 40, get 9 that printed out on my previous transaction. All right, so let's see what came off. So my total came out to $75 and some change. So I used a $5 store coupon. These are the paper coupons for the Dove that came off, $2 each. Digital, registered manufacturer rewards that I use. And then as far as coupons, let's see what we got. $5, I'm gonna say that's the Tresemme. $2 each for the Old Spice products. $1 for the Scott. And then these $8 here were some register rewards that I had that kept not working. So she went ahead and she put them through for me here for $8. So subtotal came out to $30. Used 20 in Walgreens cash. Oh, plus taxes, you guys. My goodness. Anyways, and then what we got here. Then I got back $9 in Walgreens cash. That's only for the paper booster. I didn't have any other items I was expecting register rewards for. Y'all, sometimes I let stuff sit in the car and they just, look at this. Anyways, that's not what we're talking about. But it's just gonna bother me. So, something's wrong with me, y'all. It's my Bible. All right, so here's what I got back. $5 for the P&G. I'm gonna say that's for the Old Spice there. $1 for the Dawn. $5 for the Unilever. That's probably for the deodorant, and then the other $5 I'm gonna say that's for the hairspray right there. So I did get back everything that I was supposed to, and then I went ahead and I submitted for Ibotta. I got back $10 for the Old Spice. I think that's about it. That's all I needed to submit back for. So all in all, this is all I've got for you guys. Let me know if you guys have any questions. I did ask last time if you guys wanted me to start like a newbie series, kind of, because I've had like a lot of questions on just kind of like how to get started. You guys let me know in the comments below if that's something that you would want. If so, I might start doing it and then just do like a new video like on Fridays or something like that. If that's something that any of you guys are interested in, let me know. Again, I just want to show you my receipt once more, just so you can see the items that I grabbed, if you wanted to duplicate this transaction as well. I thought this transaction was actually pretty sweet, pretty sweet there. So yeah, all right, you guys, so don't forget to like the video, give it a big thumbs up, share it with somebody who might need it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye. All right, I'm back. So I just went to submit my receipt for the Poise, and I just realized that there is a which, now that I'm thinking about it, I think I did the wrong receipt. I did the wrong receipt, y'all. Anyways, there is a rebate on Shopkick for 900 kicks for this, for the peony, and I think the coconut. The peony. Am I saying that right, you guys? I don't even know. The peony? Okay. There is 900 kicks, which is $3.60 coming back on this. Oh my goodness. So if you pick this up and you picked up the stick and the coconut, you can get back $12 coming back on Shopkick, so which is amazing. All right.